The reasoning behind creating the new Spartan M-Pro was the Spartan only has so small of a size range. With the standard machine, we can only get down to so small of a box. We used to turn away a lot of small carton projects, small product that you see on the shelf. And the idea was, why are we turning that away? We could create a shrunk down version of this machine that we already have, that's been proven for a long time, to be able to run these smaller products. And it's really suited for the nutraceutical world, the pharmaceutical world, the industrial world, anyone that's making really small products that need to go into a seal end box. The Linmont application on the M-Pro is used as our product load device. And this is not the first time we've used Linmont products. However, this is the first time we've decided to choose a new style of Linmont actuators to do the application that we're looking to do. Back when we were designing the machine, David, our lead design engineer on the M-Pro, had the idea that he could use one actuator with multiple sliders on it, as well as an additional actuator that we currently use when we do standard applications with the pneumatic cylinder to be able to push more speed. So the application here is simply just a new variation of our standard, what we call a pivot overhead infeed. The same application is also suited to do tamp styles as well too. So one of the difficulties we have with tamp is it has traditionally been two different sets of pneumatic cylinders that are functioned timing wise together within the PLC, but it's tough to hit speed because usually we have to clear all the way back to index a bucket forward. With this new style, we're able to use the multi-actuators to actually take both actuators down at the same time, do the tamp and the push in one motion, as well as being able to pull up afterwards allows us to push a lot more speed. And to be honest, we're actually trying that tamp style on a standard Spartan because we feel like we're going to be able to unlock a new capability with it too. Some of the other key features of the new machine are the reimagined carton erect station. From looking at other ideas, David ended up deciding, hey, instead of the standard thing we do on a Spartan Plus with a rotary hopper system, which is most normally found on continuous motion machines, let's do a two-stage pick and handoff. So we have two cylinders that work to actually go up, pick a carton, bring it down, for another arm to do a handoff to pull it down into the set of chains. And what that's allowing us to do is, traditionally it's been a movement up, down in one swoop. The two-stage hands-off allows us to start picking that other box as we're placing the first one, which has allowed us to push a lot more speed. The compactness of the machine is also really great. It's roughly 6 feet by 6 feet. There's a lot going on in a little space, but it packs a pretty good punch. It also is standard with a direct drive servo motor to give us more precision and control, as well as with a hot melt glue system too. The machine is really designed to help people who don't have a lot of space, who need the higher speed, who have a smaller size carton range to be able to meet their production requirements.